Hello world, welcome to Code Artisan Lab. This is our second video of our Django tutorial series, and in this series we are creating a question answer website. So in this video we will learn how to create virtual environment, how to install and set up our question answer website, and how to create a Django admin panel. So let's start. So first of all I will open the command terminal and then I will install the virtual environment. So with the help of this command pip install virtual env, so this will install a virtual environment package, and after running this command we need to run pip env env. So you can say env, you can say bin, whatever you name your virtual environment. So I named it env. So this will create a env folder. Here you can see that we have created a env folder. So now after running this command we need to activate the virtual environment. So what will we do, we will go to the folder and activate the virtual environment. Now we need to install Django. So with the help of pip install Django command we will install Django, and after running the Django we will create a application project. Creating project, so Django admin start project quest ans. So this is our, so the third is our project name. So here we have created our project. So now go to the project. So if I see my folder, so you can see here we have question answer project, and now we will create a admin panel. So what will we do, we need to follow the two steps, and the first step is, for creating admin panel we need to follow the two steps. The first step is to php py manage.py migrate. So we need to migrate the already created migration which comes with Django. So here you can see that it has admin, auth, content type, session, all the migrations. So we have migrated this. Now the second step is to create super, we need to empty this py manage.py create super user. So this will ask you to username, so please note down this, and password for logging in Django admin panel. So now let's check this. So I am running the server py manage.py run server. So now it is great, it is giving us this port. So Django has been successfully installed, and now /admin we can access the admin panel after root and add the admin, and then we'll put the username and password which I have created. So this is the admin panel which provided by Django, and here you can see that Django comes with application, authentication and authorization, and in this application Django has two model, users and groups. So we will use the user model in this project. So we have created an admin panel, and we have successfully installed the Django in our virtual environment. And now in the next video we will create a model for our project. So thank you for watching this video. So if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe. Thank you.